Crane, there's dry dock. Shows you how long the boat is. It's about 28 foot. There's the capstan. It's for like a sideline. Here you got your face up. You got your sideline coming out. Somebody's taking fuel on right there. That's a fuel hose. It's called a head deck. Up above you is called a Texas deck. Second deck to the top of the boat. We'll post up right now. Take you to the lounge. Like I said, this is one of our boats. People's not too familiar with. That's where they do some of the storage, like the lock lines, lever lines. Out there is the lever line. You got the brown one here, that's a lock line, that's a lock line. This is a work line because you can tell the difference is a little bit thinner. You got another, that's a work line right there. The lock lines are for us to make the locks. These are basically the tie off, like if they're going to be there for a while, but we can still use the lever lines, like they're right there, which is very thin. It's not as strong, but it works pretty good. Just depends on where we're at. It's called your head hole. Just different storage and stuff like that. Another keep radios. And the door's tied up. Work lines. Basically work lines in here. And you got a whole new core right there. That right there is about I think about $1,500 just for that core of lines, live jackets, stuff like that. Or a storage closet, just things we need, batteries, the peak lights. You know, that's our fuel cleaner for injectors and stuff like that. This lounge on this boat is not very big, considered to a lot of boats. Couch, TV, got your water fountain. The bell's off right now because we just got done cleaning that up. We'll hang that up once we get done suging. Laundry room, dryer, washer, outside door. You got a storage closet, just a few different things. This is for the first deck level bedroom for somebody, their bathroom. Another bedroom. This is your engine room, generator 2, main 2, main 1. And I mean, it goes all the way back up underneath the engine room. If you guys would like an update, like I got more time, I can do another video. I'll be more glad to. This is the galley, as you would call your kitchen. So you got the deep freezer there, your bar, your stove, your microwave, all your cabinets, freezer, refrigerator, cups, things like I said, like we need. We try to keep the stock pretty good. We got quite a bit of meats. Before we take off, we're gonna go grocery shopping again. And like I said, just some freezer stuff. We're low on milk and pop right now. So we're empty there. This is my bedroom. So yeah, just got here this morning, so trying to unpack. So still got to straighten it up. There's my shower. There's my toilet. And you got your candy cabinet. Just different stuff. Like I said, we're still low on a lot of food and supplies. Alright, if you guys would like a part 2, please comment on the video and I'll give you a part 2 from the second deck up to the White House. This video is already over 7 minutes, so just let me know.